Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Purrustic Slimfix Juice all over TikTok and Instagram, people claiming it flushes out toxins, reduces bloating, and boosts digestion after just a few days of use. The brand promotes it as a natural detox drink that cleanses your system from the inside out, helping with weight control, energy levels, and digestive comfort. But is Slimfix Juice really a powerful detox solution? Or just another wellness drink with exaggerated promises? Today we're breaking it down to see whether this juice truly supports detoxification or if it's just another trendy product. I tried Slimfix Juice for 14 days, drinking the recommended daily serving while tracking changes in bloating, digestion, energy, appetite, and overall comfort. I compared its formula to well-known detox ingredients like ginger, chlorophyll, and soluble fiber blends. I also reviewed feedback from real buyers on forums, product pages, and social media to get a broader understanding of how Slimfix performs for different users. Based on testing and community data, here's the complete breakdown. Purrustic Slimfix Juice makes several bold claims, flushes toxins from the digestive system, reduces bloating within days, supports natural weight management, improves digestion and relieves discomfort, boosts energy and metabolism. Made from natural fruit and herbal extracts, the brand frames Slimfix Juice as a gentle, daily detox drink suitable for long-term use. But do these claims match real results? Let's investigate. Step 1. Formula and ingredients. Slimfix Juice contains a blend of fruit enzymes, herbal extracts, and plant-based antioxidants. Ingredients like ginger, lemon extract, chlorophyll, and mild digestive botanicals are commonly used in detox drinks. These can support digestion and reduce water retention but do not flush toxins in the literal sense. Your liver and kidneys already do that naturally. Step 2. Bloating and digestion. After several days of use, mild improvements in bloating and digestion are noticeable. The formula contains gentle digestive aids that help reduce heaviness after meals. Many users report similar benefits, saying their stomach feels lighter and more comfortable. However, these effects are subtle, not dramatic. Step 3. Detox claims. Slimfix does not detoxify the body in the medical sense. What it does is support digestion, hydration, and regularity, which can feel like detox. This is important to understand. Slimfix is a digestive support drink, not a clinical detoxifier. Step 4. Weight management. There is no direct fat-burning ingredient in Slimfix Juice. Weight-related benefits come mainly from reduced bloating and better digestion. You may appear slimmer due to less water retention, but Slimfix alone will not cause significant weight loss. Step 5. Energy levels. Some users, including myself, felt a mild energy boost. This is likely related to improved digestion and hydration rather than metabolic stimulation. Step 6. Taste and ease of use. Slimfix Juice has a refreshing, slightly herbal taste. It's easy to drink daily, which is a plus for consistency. Step 7. Limitations. Slimfix will not replace healthy eating, hydration, or lifestyle habits. It's a supportive drink, not a cure-all. Users expecting dramatic detoxification or rapid weight loss will likely be disappointed. Step 8. User feedback. Positive reviews often mention less bloating, better digestion, tastes good and feels refreshing. Negative reviews say no dramatic detox. Didn't lose real weight, only felt lighter. Works slowly. Does Purrustic Slimfix Juice really detox your body? Yes, but only in the sense of supporting digestion and reducing discomfort. It works if you want. Mild bloating relief, digestive support, a refreshing daily wellness drink, natural ingredients with gentle effects. It won't work if you expect clinical detoxification, rapid weight loss, dramatic body transformation. Slimfix Juice is a helpful digestive support drink, but not a miracle detox solution. If this review helped you decide whether Slimfix Juice is worth trying, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down trending wellness and tech products every week. Stay informed and stay tuned.